Imagine waking up to the biggest news in human history. We are not alone. Scientists have been searching for extraterrestrial signals for decades, but what if 2025 is the year we finally receive a message from an alien civilization? With powerful telescopes scanning the skies and AI revolutionizing data analysis, are we on the verge of a historic breakthrough? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has fascinated humanity for centuries. But 2025 might be different. Why? Because cutting-edge technology, advanced radio telescopes, and new planetary discoveries are making the possibility of detecting an alien signal more likely than ever before. Could 25 be the year we finally detect an extraterrestrial signal? Let's dive into the science, speculation, and the mind-blowing possibilities. Despite our best efforts, detecting alien signals is extremely challenging. Here's why. The universe is vast. Even at the speed of light, a signal from an alien civilization could take thousands or even millions of years to reach us. Cosmic noise. Space is filled with signals from stars, pulsars, and human-made satellites, making it hard to distinguish an alien signal from natural cosmic noise. Limited detection technology. Our current telescopes and receivers, while advanced, might not be sensitive enough to pick up weak or distant alien transmissions. The Great Filter Theory. Some scientists believe intelligent civilizations might self-destruct before they can make contact. Could this explain the Great Silence? If these challenges are so difficult to overcome, why are scientists so hopeful about 2025? Scientists believe 2025 might be the breakthrough year for several key reasons. 1. The Square Kilometer Array, SKA project. This massive radio telescope array will be completed in 2025 and is 100 times more powerful than any previous telescope. SKA will scan the sky for weak radio signals from distant exoplanets, possibly detecting alien transmissions. 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is revolutionizing the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Advanced algorithms can now sift through massive amounts of space data, identifying patterns that human researchers might miss. In 2023, AI reanalyzed old radio telescope data and found mysterious signals that were previously overlooked. 3. Exoplanet discoveries and the habitable zone. Scientists have discovered over 5,500 exoplanets, many of which exist in the habitable zone of their stars. In 2025, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, will analyze these planets' atmospheres for signs of alien technology or biosignatures. Funded by billionaire Yuri Milner and supported by Stephen Hawking before his passing, this initiative is one of the most ambitious searches for alien signals. In 2025, it will expand its frequency range and target more exoplanets than ever before. With these groundbreaking advancements, the odds of detecting an alien signal are better than ever. But what if we actually receive one? What happens next? 4. Breakthrough Listen Project. Let's say in 2025, scientists detect a clear, artificial radio signal from an exoplanet 50 light-years away. What happens then? Verification process. Scientists would double-check the data to ensure it's not a false signal or human-made interference. Peer review. The discovery would be analyzed by experts worldwide before any official announcement. Public disclosure or government secrecy? Some believe such a discovery might be hidden from the public to avoid mass panic. Others argue that it would unite humanity like never before. Attempting to reply. If the signal is confirmed to be from an advanced civilization, would we respond? And if we did, what would we say? This leads to an even bigger question. Are we ready for first contact? The search for extraterrestrial life has never been more advanced, and 2025 could be the year we make history. With AI, powerful telescopes, and ongoing space missions, we are closer than ever to answering the biggest question. Are we alone in the universe? Whether or not we detect a signal in 2025, one thing is clear. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is more exciting than ever. What do you think? Will 2025 be the year we finally detect alien signals? Or are we still far from making contact? Let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content.